Welcome. Today we will continue implementing rotating keys in our Spring Authorization server. In this video, we are going to store the keys in a database so that they are available at any time and for different servers. We start in Eclipse with all new and changed code. First we have the schema SQL file. We created a new table RSA key pairs with 4 fields: ID, private key, public key, and created the RSA key pair repository we know from the previous video. This time we have a JDBC implementation. In the constructor we inject JDBC template, row mapper, RSA public key converter, and RSA private key converter. With the methods find key pairs. Here we use the row mapper to convert the data, delete, and save. Here we use the converters to convert the keys to text so we can put them in the database. In the row mapper we convert the keys from the database to a list. Last we have the RSA private key converter and the RSA public key converter. We use these converters to convert the data from the database to keys and keys to text to store in the database. In the database workbench, I want to briefly show the table with the contents of the keys. This is the data from several test runs. We have 5 rows of different keys. As you can see, the keys are freely accessible in the database. In the next video we are going to encrypt the keys with a password so no one can use the keys without a password. I have everything booted up and want to test everything briefly. If we click on View JWKs we get to see all the keys. The 5 keys from the database from before and a new key created when restarting the project. We can log in briefly with the username and password. If we now click on View Keys we get to see all the keys. We better not do that in a real application. The keys and especially the private keys should be kept secret. This was it for today. In the next video we will secure the keys with a password. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any video.